Ever stand in front of your closet feeling like you have nothing to wear, even though it's packed with clothes? I have been there. Today, we are changing that, because what if I told you that with just few wardrobe essentials you can look amazing and feel confident every single day? Let's get into it. Why optimizing your appearance matters. Let's start with the why. Why should you even care about wardrobe essential? Isn't style just surface level? Here's the thing, optimizing your appearance isn't about vanity, it's about confidence. It's about how you feel when you walk out the door in the morning. People form impression about us within seconds. It's unfair, but it's true. And the way you dress says a lot before you even open your mouth. It signals how much you value yourself. But the key isn't about following trends or looking like someone else. It's about building your confidence with pieces that work for you. Let me tell you, I have struggled with this too. There were times when I would second guess everything I wore. I stand in front of the mirror, picking apart every flaw, worrying about what people would think. But you know what changed? I found my essential. And when I did, I felt good, because I wasn't trying to be someone I wasn't. I was just trying to be the best version of me. Let's talk about the key pieces that every wardrobe needs. These essentials will form the foundation of your style, making it easy to get dressed and look sharp no matter the occasion. Look, we have all been there, standing in front of the closet, staring blankly, thinking, I have nothing to wear. That's where essentials comes in. They make sure you always got a solid foundation to build on. Today, I will take you through my top wardrobe staples, why they work, and how you can get the most out of them. The perfect white button-up shirts. Let's keep up the things with the classy. The white button-up shirt. I know it sounds boring, but hear me out. This is probably one of the most versatile pieces you can wear. Whether you are heading into a meeting, going out for dinner, or just running errands, a white button-up always works for guys. Tuck into your jeans for smart casual vibes. For women, you can tie at the waist, layer it under a blazer, or even wear it open over a tank top for a more relaxed look. The key is fit. You want it tailored, just enough to flatter your shape, but enough room to move comfortably. Don't underestimate how polished this simple piece can make you feel, even on your I don't know what to wear days. Number 2, slim fit. Dark wash jeans. Next up, dark wash jeans. These are non-negotiable, guys. They are the unsung hero of your wardrobe. Why dark wash? Because they are incredibly versatile. You can wear them up with a shirt or blazers, or keep it casual with a t-shirt and sneakers. They instantly make you look more polished than your regular faded jeans. Pro tip: make sure your jeans fit well. No sagging, no excess fabric falling at your ankles. Slim or straight leg skirt are your best bet. Jeans not only look good, but they also makes you feel good. You will wear them so often they will practically mold to your body. Number 3, go to blazer. Let's map onto something that can really evaluate your look. The blazer. If you don't have one, you need one. A well-fitted blazer is the ultimate instant polished piece. Whether you are throwing it on over a dress, a t-shirt, or even a hoodie for a streetwear vibe, it gives you a sophisticated edge. It doesn't matter if you are going into a meeting or just hanging out with your friends, you will always look put together. The secret is in the tailoring. Make sure it fits perfectly at the shoulders, and don't be afraid to get it tailored if needed. You want to feel powerful in your blazer, not drowned in it. Stick to neutral colors like black, navy, or gray at first. This will go with everything. Comfortable, stylish sneakers. Let's talk about footwear. A good pair of clean, stylish sneaker is essential for your day-to-day life. And no, I'm not talking about beat-up running shoes. Sneakers have come a long way. You can easily find pairs that are comfortable yet look sharp enough to wear in a casual office settings or even out to dinner. Plus, they are incredibly versatile. Pair them with jeans, trousers, or even a dress for effortless cool vibe. Just make sure to keep them clean. Dirty sneakers can ruin an otherwise great look. If you invest in good pair, take care of them and that will last you for years. Now, we can't talk about wardrobe essential without mentioning the little black dress for women, a classy black suit for man. These are your go-to pieces for informal events, wedding, a dinner, or important work functions. For women, the little black dress is the definition of elegance. Keep it simple, but make sure it fits like dream. It should make you feel confident and comfortable in any settings. For men, a black suit is must. You want it tailored to your frame. No bagginess allowed. A good black suit can be dressed up with a tie or kept slick and modern with just crisp white shirt. Number 6. Neutral colors outerwear. Now let's talk about outerwear. One of the most underrated essential is a neutral colors jackets. This could be anything from trench coat to a leather jacket. Outerwear is what ties your whole look together, especially in colder weather. A trench coat, for example, is classy and timeless. It works for both formal and casual occasions, and you can layer it over pretty much everything. The key here is to stick with neutral colors: black, gray, navy, beige. These sets are versatile, complements everything else in your wardrobe. You want a coat that's stylish but also practical, so it does not end up gathering dust into the closet. The everyday bag. Last but not least, let's talk about accessories, especially the everyday bag. It's more than just something to carry your stuff. It's an essential part of your look. Whether you are headed to work, gym, or just out for the day, having that bags that are stylish and functional is key. Go for something neutral and timeless, leather or minimalist designer. It should fit your essential without looking too bulky. A good bag pulls everything together and it's something you will use every day, so invest in one that's a high quality and that suits your personal style. So there you have it, my breakdown of the must-have wardrobe essentials that will wardrobe your style essential instantly. These pieces are not about following trends, they are about creating a foundation that works for your day in and day out. The best part, once you have got these essentials, mix and match them endlessly. You won't feel like you are constantly buying new clothes because you have already got the core pieces that make getting rest a breeze. So if your wardrobe needs a little refresh, start with this essential. Trust me, once you have got them, you will wonder how you ever lived without them. Addressing insecurities and finding confidence. Look, I know how easy it is to let insecurities get into the way of how we dress. We all have things we are self-conscious about. I have been there too. Maybe it's body shape, maybe it's feeling like certain style don't suit you. But here's the truth. Your insecurities don't define you, you do. When you start to embrace what works for you and you stop worrying about what others think, you feel free. The key is to wear what makes you feel confident. What your wardrobe is there to support you, not the other way around. Let's dive into little psychology. First impression are powerful whether you like it or not. People judge us within the first few seconds of meeting us. Your appearance can convey confidence, competence, reliability, all before you even say a word. So why not make that impression count? When you look good, you feel good, and that feeling radiance. It impacts your body language, your posture, or even how you speak. That's the power of optimizing your wardrobe. Alright, now that we have covered the must-have essentials in your wardrobe, let's get practical. I want to make sure you leave today's video with real actionable steps that you can start implementing right away, because let's be honest, talking about wardrobe essential is one thing, but actually building it out and making it work for you, that's where the magic happens. Start small, start smart. First thing first, don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to go out and buy everything at once. Trust me, building a timeless wardrobe takes time, and it's supposed to. This is about curating pieces you will love and you will use for years, not just grabbing things impulsively because you think you need right now. So start small, pick one or two essentials that will give you the most bang for your buck. For example, if you are constantly struggling with what to wear to work or semi-formal events, start with white button-up shirt or the blazer. It casual, outgoing, or where you feel stuck. Focus on getting the right pair of dark washed jeans and those stylish sneakers. Opt for quality over quantity. Here's a tip I have learned the hard way. Quality always beats quality. Buying a high quality items that you wear often is way better than having a closet full of cheaper fast fashion pieces that they don't last. When you are shopping for essentials, think about the long term. What will hold up after several washes? What will still look good after a year? The mindset helps you make smart investment. Yes, they might be more expensive, but they will actually save you money in a long run because you won't have to keep replacing them. Plus, quality pieces feels better when you wear them. They look better too, and that confident boost is priceless. Mix and match and confidence. Here's where the real fun begins. Mix and match with confidence. Here's where the real fun begins. Mixing and matching. Once you have got your core wardrobe essentials, the possibilities becomes endless. Let me show you an example. Let's talk about white button-up shirts and the dark washed jeans. You can style this for a casual day out by trying on these white sneakers we talked about earlier. But let's say you have got a meeting or a dinner. Swap the sneakers for some dress shoes and add a blazer. Boom, same base, two completely different vibes. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's what great about having those Don't be afraid to experiment. That's what great about having this essential. They are designed to work together. You will find that getting dressed is no longer stressful because you know you have got a solid foundation to build. So if your wardrobe needs a little refresh, start with this essential. Trust me, once you have got them, you will wonder how you ever lived without them. Thanks for watching, and remember, style is about confidence, not just clothes. See you next time.